What up everybody, we are back with another CRF110 how to install video. So today we're going to be adding a light bar to our 110. This will work for a 19 or a 20. I'm sure it'll work on older models as well, but this is going to be specific to those two years. So I've seen a bunch of guys out there that have made kits for the light bars that you can buy 120, 130 bucks. But I wanted to make a video to show you guys you can do it for cheaper. So I bought the 3 things that you need for under $60 on Amazon. The first thing is going to be the light bar itself. The second thing is going to be the bar mounts. And the third thing is going to be the actual switch for the light bar to turn it off and on to connect to your battery. So if you guys like the video, make sure to hit the thumbs up, like, and subscribe. Just trying to help people out here. Also, if you guys want to do this yourself, you can find all of the links to the Amazon products in the comment section in the description. So go ahead and check it out. Yep, here we go.
All right, y'all. So this is going to be all that you will need for the install. So first off, we have the actual parts of the kit itself. So this is the mounting hardware that came with the light. With the light bar there. We also have the 2 mounts for the handlebars, 7/8. And then this is our switch. I'm gonna have to do a little bit of probably maneuvering and using some zip ties because it is really long. But this was a DZG switch off of Amazon. Right there, connects to our power. And then the tools we'll need: an 8mm wrench, open head, 10mm open wrench for the battery terminals, flat head to pop off the plastic, the piece that holds the shroud on. You need a Phillips head, number 2. You need an 8mm socket, and then we need a 4mm Allen wrench and a 5mm Allen wrench. All right, y'all, we're on the next step. So once you get your plastics and your shrouds off, make sure to take your seat off, just place it to the side. The next thing you're gonna need for this step is gonna be you're gonna need your open-end wrenches, so your 10 and your 8mm open-end wrench. So first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this factory wiring harness out. Just kind of move it to the side like that. And we are going to loosen up the battery ground or negative terminal, as well as the powered terminal here. So they have 2 bolts, and definitely use your open-end wrench. Don't use the Phillips on it because they will strip, or they can strip, or easily strippable. So loosen both of these guys up. The power is on top, and then this guy here. And then the next thing you're gonna do is where your ground is gonna go. You're gonna loosen up this guy here, and that is gonna be a 10mm. So make sure you loosen all 3 of those up, and we will go to connecting the switch. All right, everybody. So the next step, once you get your switch connections and terminals connected to the battery, so I have it here connected to the power, and then I also have it connected to the ground. So she's grounded, she's ready to go. Then what I went ahead and did is I got my light set up here to where I wanted it. So as you can see, I have the bar clamps here that I got off Amazon, the 7/8. Another one there, as you can see. Connected the light bar to it. Then everything after that is pretty self-explanatory. So kind of run this wire down, run it through. I zip tied the wire that comes from the switch, and then I'm gonna clean these wires up. I already have some of them zip tied just so they weren't hanging around. But now really all you have to do is put the plastic fairings back on, slap the seat back on, and you're ready to ride. And you'll have a light and you're good to go. If you need zip ties, I recommend grabbing them. They're helpful, kind of get things out of the way. Also, I recommend just having electrical tape on hand. But yeah, it was a pretty simple install. Pretty self-explanatory. If you guys have any comments, let me know. Here's the end product. Kind of hard to see there from the side. But yeah, now we can rip at night. Little light bar. You know, here's the end product. Kind of hard to see there from the side. But yeah, now we can.